best exfoliants that I swear by. I have a list of 5 for you. The first on the list is the gentlest exfoliant that I've ever experienced. This is the Innisfree Wine Peeling Jelly Softener. It's got wine extracts and is 900 rupees for 180 ml. You can use it and then wipe it off, or you can use it on a cotton ball and wipe it off. I highly recommend this for anybody who's new to exfoliation, has very sensitive skin, or is actually going through the retinization process and the skin is not peeling so much but your skin is feeling a little sensitive. You just want to up your retinization game. This is the exfoliant to want to use. It's also great for teenagers, and I find it so cost effective because especially if you're looking at removing a tan, you can go through all onto your neck area and even deeper down. It really works beautifully. This works beautifully for all skin types, but highly recommend it for dry and sensitive skin type. The texture is super smooth and has a lot of slip. You can feel it a little gritty, which is how the texture is, but it gives you the most softest and the most beautiful exfoliation, especially when you have sensitive skin. Now, when you exfoliate, there's 5 qualities that you must look in your exfoliator. I'm going to be listing them over here as we go along in the video. Make sure you keep an eye for these. The second on my list is the brand Deconstruct, which has 2 exfoliators, both of which are absolutely brilliant. The first one is the Beginner's Exfoliating Serum, which has 5% lactic acid and 1.5% probiotic, which means that it's going to be deeply hydrating and nourishing for even the driest and the most sensitive skin. The fact that it is a beginner's exfoliator means your teenagers can use it very, very safely. Yes, these products are completely safe for teenagers. Please don't hesitate to use them if your teenager requires them, because it's better to protect your skin instead of letting it get damaged, just because there is this fallacy that children shouldn't use products when they have skin problems. So great. It is something you can apply in the night and go to sleep in. It is a keep-on product. Priced at $5.94 for 30 ml. Fantastic product with deep hydration and moisturization while giving you the necessary exfoliation. The next one, and a more powerful exfoliator from the Deconstruct, is the Exfoliating Serum at 18% AHA and 2% BHA or salicylic acid. This is an advanced exfoliator. You need to apply it and then wash it off with cool water. Cool water, because at times it can cause redness, which is completely safe, especially when you have sensitive skin. How do you choose between these two? If you're a beginner in exfoliator, you don't have any skin issues, you're just looking for a good pep up to your skin, a gentle pep up, the beginner's exfoliator is the product you want to look for. However, if you have acne scars, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, you have maturer skin, you have fine lines, you have wrinkles, or you've been using mild exfoliators and want to up your exfoliation game, then you definitely need to pick up the Deconstruct Exfoliating Serum, which has 18% AHA and 2% BHA. This is a product of choice. Now, despite the fact it's a strong exfoliator, it does not dry your skin and does not irritate your skin, which is another thing you need to keep in mind when you are picking exfoliators. So make sure you're paying attention over here. The texture on these serums is almost the same. You know, they're clear. They're not very runny, just enough slip in them, and they go in very, very smoothly. Talking about strong exfoliator, and my most favorite exfoliator is the Pixi Overnight Glow Serum. At 10% glycolic acid, this packs a punch. Is this for beginners? I won't recommend it. Is this for children? I will recommend it. But I will recommend this for anybody who has a lot of acne scars, has a lot of pigmentation, has a lot of melasma, has a lot of sun damage, because exfoliators help pick up the darker melanin from your skin, and that is why we want this in our skincare routine. It's also very good if you have started seeing the first fine lines on your face or wrinkles. It'll help smoothen those out as well. Don't be scared to use glycolic acid in your skincare. It's one of the best things you can do, because glycolic acid, with its smallest molecule, can penetrate really deeply and give you the exfoliation that your skin requires. You know, along the way, as you start using skincare, you'll hear a lot of myths, but remember, a lot of the myths that come with very little scientific explanation. So if you do hear something disturbing or shocking, make sure you ask the creator, where is this information coming from? This is a keep-on product, so apply it in the night and then you wash it off in the morning. You can use this and post this. If you need, use a moisturizer. This is an expensive product priced at $2,400 for 30 ml. But when you have very stubborn melasma, when you have very stubborn pigmentation, or when you have very pronounced fine lines, then that's the product you want to go for. If you're using this product for the first time, you might feel a little bit of a sting, but it passes off within under a minute. If it lasts for beyond a minute, then you know this is very strong for you, so don't use it, or lessen the quantity when you use it the next time. But from this application to the next application, give it at least 6 to 7 days, not the very next day. The last on my list might surprise you because this is a brand which has a lot of controversies around it, but I love fragrance and I really love this product from Duttonkey, AHA sleeping mask. I have used it and talked about it in a lot of my videos. This is my second bottle. The reason I love it is because it's very softening and it's very gentle on your skin because it has 12% lactic acid and it is beautifully balanced with hyaluronic acid. So you won't feel it. It is especially good if you're looking at retinization because it is just so gentle. It's also a great exfoliator for beginners, especially if you are teenagers who spend a lot of time outdoors or you have a lot of acne. This is absolutely brilliant. It comes in a jelly form, goes in very easily, has a lot of slip, which means that not only can you use it on your face and on your neck area, you can also use it on your hands, elbows, as well as your body, especially if you are recovering from a suntan or a darkness or dullness in your body over a period of time. The fact that it has this nice slip means it goes on very easily and you can actually sleep on it and wake up to gorgeously smooth and hydrated and lighter skin in the morning. Give it a go. It is a little expensive because it's priced at $9.95 for 30 ml, but it is so worth it because you require very little quantity and it goes a very long way. If you use this AHA sleeping mask, let me know what your experience was. And don't be scared to use fragrances because this fragrance is IFRA certified. For more on this, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.